In Monroeville, Pennsylvania, this is the opening shot for the movie Creepshow. You have Billy upstairs with his dad, played by Tom Atkins, who's from Pittsburgh, yelling at him about the magazine he's reading here. He's like, "Where'd you get this crap?" And Billy's like, "It's not like the magazine's in your dresser, Dad." And he slaps him across the face. Little fun fact, that's a Stephen King's kid in that scene. Just to show you how much time has gone by, look how little this tree is in the movie compared to now. And also, they didn't have this addition on the house back then. It all happened right there. And then at the end of the movie, you see this brick house here, and Tom Savini is one of the garbage men. They come up and pull this magazine out of the garbage, and they notice that the voodoo coupon is missing for a voodoo doll. It goes back up into Billy's room, and he's taking a needle to the back of the neck of the voodoo doll, and his dad is downstairs at the kitchen table saying he's got a real pain in his neck. I love it. And it all happened right here in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. The George Romero classic Creepshow.